I'm very ready.
I'm 360 degree ready.
360 degree.
Not even 180.
Oh, really?
I'm a 360.
360. Are you ready, Ryan?
Hou eens van die stad met hulle selfie sticks en goed. Nee man.
Ready though.
What's up, adventurers? Welcome back to the channel. The Ranger is taking a bit of a break in two-wheel drive, so we'll have to earn this view the old-fashioned way.
Damn it! I missed the express.
If you're looking for mind-blowing views, a proper leg workout,
I am filming.
Hello, camera.
Hello.
and even a little trail-side luxury, then you need to add the Swartboskloof trail in Jonkershoek to your list. Nestled in the iconic Jonkershoek Nature Reserve just outside Stellenbosch, Swartboskloof isn't just a hike, it's an experience. Think fynbos as far as the eye can see, towering peaks and some serious good vibes.
Be welcome.
Now this trail is roughly, let's say, a decent climb. You're looking about 6 to 8 kilometers depending on your loop, a good chunk of elevation to gain, so definitely bring your A game and definitely bring water. But every single step is worth it. And the reward? Oh, definitely, there is a reward. You get these incredible panoramic views of the Jonkershoek Valley, the surrounding mountains, and even a glimpse of the False Bay in the distance. Truly breathtaking. The trail itself is well maintained, but it's a proper mountain trail, so expect rocky sections and a few steep ascents and plenty of opportunities to soak it all in. You're in the heart of Jonkershoek, the Swartboskloof trail calls. It is a hike that promises truly epic scenery, but it makes you earn every single meter of it. Be prepared, because the first 3 kilometers are a relentless, quite a burning vertical climb. It is a steep grind that will absolutely test your legs and your lungs. At every stop, the famous hiking saying, "It's just around the corner," rings out to a chuckle and an unamused audience.
Just keep walking.
But just when you think you can't push any further, you break through the top.
Back. Hey, where you going?
Well, I mean,
Am I supposed to?
the route that I checked out on the maps is basically kind of a loop. Then you get to a point, and then from that point you go over to the lookout point, and then back. But I'm not sure of the distance on that one.
And the world just opens up. The trail completely plateaus into a breathtaking fynbos wonderland.
Keep walking.
With panoramic views that will make you forget all about the burn. And this right there is the start of the reward. And it's at this part of the hike when I start to wonder,
That foot is definitely going in there.
I'm not gonna lie, the view is beautiful, but I am dying.
but what if I told you there's a way to elevate this epic experience? Something to make those hard-earned views even sweeter. That's right, it's time for my secret trail hack. Andrew is planning something for us on top of this view. He is our resident trail barista, and he absolutely nailed the art of the AeroPress in the wilderness brew. Let's just wait to see what he can brew up for
How's
us.
it go again?
Just keep walking.
This is where the hike becomes worth it. Oh my goodness! No way!
Yes, ways. Yes, ways.
You know what? We're stopping here forever. Now I think this hike is totally worth it.
Damn!
Right? I don't know.
Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
This is the biggest like. There you go. There you go. Hold on, boys.
Look, you can even see that anchor sign there on the mountain.
You can see to eternity,
The
guys.
cargo ship over there.
Thanks, dude.
My goodness.
Everything the light touches.
Whoa. Okay, this is too close.
A coffee and got it
Coffee,
sorted.
yeah. This is what we're gonna work on now. Are you gonna like video this entire coffee making process?
Yes.
All done. You're gonna have to.
Oh yeah. Looks like you're almost done.
These are all little crystals.
Yeah.
Imagine finding them in the out and open and not even imagining having to go into the deep dark caves here. Fossils grow here and so do plants. How can pine trees grow up on this mountain? Isn't that just amazing? We're going on a hectic downhill, so we're going to watch our footing. Our footing is really important in the mountain because normally you start falling. And if you fall down there, that's a big problem. There are moss growing here. Look at these tiny little red flowers. Doesn't that just look amazing? Little bush plants grow here. Isn't that amazing that they're able to grow up in this mountain? Look at this amazing rock.
Some more.
There are no shortcuts in mountain climbing.
Oh, wave at the camera. Just like you enjoyed it.